Hey there people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working scripts for your Blox Fruits game on your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Click on browse scripts, click on Blox Fruits and wait it to load up. And guys, there we will have to enter our user ID or our username. So I will just continue with my username. And guys, don't worry because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So just click connect account when you enter and it will start fetching our Roblox profile. So guys, you will get this pop-up. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. There we go. Now guys, we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to execute those scripts. So don't worry because we can import newest Delta. So if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, select I already have a different executor. So guys, I have currently no executors and I will import newest Delta. And boom, we will get an option to select our desired script. So we will click there and guys, boom, if you want, you can select literally all scripts you like. So I will go with this four and guys, you can Google them and see what features they have and what they do. So I will go with this four for test. Click continue guys when you select this and API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So look at this guys, API is connected, our four scripts selected are ready and our activation key is there as well for Delta. Nice guys. Now we will have to click I'm not a robot because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So let's see what we'll get. And nice guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Look at this. Scripts is imported. Our user ID connected and our key is fully revealed. I cannot wait to open our Roblox and to see is it actually working guys. Let me close this and let me open again. So we should reload our Roblox. Just reopen your app if it's already opened and let's click on Blox Fruits guys. Let's click on play and just make sure that it actually worked. Let's test together guys. Nice. I will rotate my phone and then oh my god guys, look at this, we're actually receiving our Delta. Oh my god, thank you for using Delta guys. We got working Delta absolutely free. Let's check for the scripts guys. We got overflow, forge hub, nulzen and NICUs just as we selected. I cannot believe guys that it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Look at this. I will just select this and I have executed one script and boom, now we can farm and we can do literally whatever we like. Look at this guys, it's automatically farming. I'm so excited that it actually worked guys. I cannot believe, I'm so happy. And now I'm going to go level 700 on Blox Fruits. Look at this guys, it's amazing. You can also go there now and search for Blox Fruits there. Just type here Blox Fruits and you will get all scripts guys, so you can import literally everything you like. Guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.